Hey everybody, excuse the mess. I was just making some stickers and I thought, wait a minute, this would be a nice little tutorial. So these are the printed stickers, 4 to a page. They're nice. I call them mediums, but they're really quite large. And typically I would take the regular laminate, you peel it from the back, you adhere it, but luckily I had a note that for this one I like to use the holographic, and that's this amazing paper. Look how cool. So same kind of thing, you're going to peel the back and you're going to put it on there, and I will show you how I do it. This is a little bit makeshift, so I apologize for that. But again, here's your sticker sheet. Here's the squeegee. And you're just going to peel this. Peel the back in. Okay. And I just fold it. And then I have something that I attached to my wooden table because I didn't want to mess it up any more than it is. So I'm going to press, and this would be the same for regular laminate. These go on really nicely and smoothly. So hope I didn't jinx that. And then you can see, because I've folded it, this is what I'm going to pull. But I'm going to use the squeegee. Yeah, I fucked it up. Oh, excuse my language. I'll use the squeegee to guide me. It's kind of sticking everything, so you'll see in a second. Here we go. So I'm just pushing it down. These I usually have really good luck with. They don't wrinkle and don't bubble. But look how gorgeous. And then I will show you after I cut. Oh wait, I'll show you one other thing. Here's the mat. Okay. And we're gonna, very, very important to have the arrow facing up. This mat is brand new, so it's sticky, but typically I would probably put a little bit of tape here because you can see the laminate finishes there. And that's that. It's ready to get fed into the cutter. So let's just go, let me just show you from the cell phone how I do this. So I choose medium cardstock, excuse me, because it's thick. It's got laminate and then regular sticker paper. And I will put it in the Cricut, the cutting machine. This is all Wi-Fi, okay? So you gotta make sure that you have that before you invest in a machine. I mean, most people do. Let me see, that's flickering, so I'm gonna punch that. And it's just looking for those black corner marks. There's certain laminates that it won't be able to find it, and then it gets complicated because you have to cut this out so you don't block the corner black marks. But now it's ready to go. I just press hit. This should be a pretty fast cut because it's basically just a square. It's nothing too intricate. You see the little laser? It's looking for the lines. This is, to me, this is brilliant. I have no idea how it works. Okay, it's done. It didn't jam. It didn't, nothing flaked off. Now you're just gonna hit this. And now it's popped it out. Let's take it over here. Try and do this with one hand. Like I said, these are new mats, so they're kind of sticky. But woohoo! Look at that. How friggin' adorable. That's that.